New tonight in Boomtown, more people means a need for more housing, but also expanding the availability of health care.
Tonight, 10 TV's Colin Dorsey is in Marysville, where there are some big developments on the horizon. He explains how the hospital is also getting ready to start a massive project.
Uptown Marysville, it's got the charm that people say they like, but as the city and the county grow, it's a balancing act of keeping that charm while also welcoming the change.
In Union County, we're growing 3 to 4 people a day. It's much better to gain 3 or 4 people today than to lose 3 or 4 people today.
There's a lot happening in Marysville and Union County, and most of it goes through Eric Phillips, the city and county's economic development director.
Growth is good in a lot of ways. We're the fastest growing county in the state of Ohio. We've been blessed to have that, and I think balancing that is a key as we go forward.
One project that literally looms over the city, the redevelopment of these silos. They're not going anywhere, they're being repurposed, something city manager Terry Emery is excited to see strike the balance of old and new.
What's nice about what we're doing is we're taking these 17 acres and making it a mixed-use development that people can utilize, improving the walkability in our uptown. It's gonna change the face of our uptown, but our uptown's gonna stay the way it's always been.
Union County is one of Ohio's fastest growing counties, and with growth come the people. The population grew by about 20% in the last decade, but it doesn't stop there. By 2040, the population is expected to surpass 77,000 people. And with all of those people, you have to have a plan to take care of them.
Our current space was designed and built in 1998, so we've been in it for almost 3 decades.
Memorial Health is due for an upgrade. The hospital is getting ready for a $56 million emergency room expansion. When the current ER was built, the hospital saw 14,000 annual visits. They expect by 2050, that number will climb up to 37,000.
We knew we were getting close to capacity, and we needed to address it.
The hospital plans to break ground on that ER expansion next year, and then it should be done sometime around 2028. In Marysville, Colin Dorsey, 10 TV News.
All right, thank you, Colin. You can catch more in-depth coverage of the growth here in Central Ohio by watching our streaming show, This Week in Boomtown, with 10 TV's Angela Ann. A new episode drops every Friday night on 10 TV Plus. If you don't have the app, just download it on your smart TV and watch for free.